Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making salty, sweet peanut butter sandies, which are like those little peanut butter cookies that usually have the cross on top and they melt in your mouth. These are a little bit different, and these are from the New York City bakery, City Bakery, which is up to their game with these peanut butter sandies. One, they use a lot more salt and even have salt and sugar on top just to give it that extra oomph. They use light brown sugar in it, and it just makes it for a richer, heftier, melt in your mouth cookie. So let's see if it's all that. Of course, I was inspired by this song. These peanut butter cookies will melt in your mouth. Well, we'll be the judge of that. Let's find out. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Second thing you want to do is to get your baking sheet ready to go. Either grease it or put some parchment paper down. Butter, softened if you can, but you don't have to. You can leave it cold if you'd like. Sugar, brown sugar. Beat until light and fluffy, about 3 minutes. Add in your unsweetened peanut butter. Mix until combined. Eggs. Add in your flour and your salt. Mix until no streaks remain. Granulated sugar and add some salt to that, about half of what you have. Mix together. Using a 2 teaspoon scoop, we're going to scoop the dough out and put it on the cookie sheet. Sprinkle the top of each cookie with that sugar and salt blend that you made. Into the oven for 12 to 15 minutes until they're set and golden brown. Time's up. They're looking set and golden brown. Let's take them out. Let them cool for a bit, and then we'll transfer them to a cooling rack to fully cool and eat them, although we might eat them warm too. Look at this salty, sweet peanut butter sandy. Smells like peanut butter heaven, but it's all in the taste. So let's find out how they are. And again, it did have that extra salt and sugar on top. So how did that affect the cookie? We're going to find out. These are delicious. That sugar and salt on top really adds a little extra oomph to the cookies, really bringing forward the savory profile of the peanut butter, but also you've got that sugar in there too with that light brown sugar and granulated sugar. These are super delicious. If you like peanut butter cookies or anything peanut butter, you will love these. And these are totally melt in your mouth. I'm not going to do it, but I'm tempted to just pop the whole thing in my mouth because it's that type of cookie. It will just melt. Delicious. If I can make City Bakery's peanut butter sandies for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you've seen any products I've used in this video, check out my Amazon storefront in my bio. And also go to TikTok and Instagram for so much more, like really a lot more.